Jonas was a humanitarian. He believed in the fundamental goodness of people, and he was very interested in the world that we leave behind for the next generation. So he was particularly interested in children, and he encouraged me and another woman to undertake a project to encourage children to understand the world that they lived in. And we did this by encouraging children in elementary schools, by showing them a picture of the world from space, the planet Earth from space, and encouraging them to get a feeling for what it was like to live in that world. I think that Jonas felt that we had the capacity to make life-affirming choices that would leave the world a better place, and that this kind of project would be one of the things that would help to do that. I think the top thing people would be surprised about was the kinds of things that he was involved in that they didn't hear about. These had to do with spirituality and consciousness. He felt that evolution of humanity would be accomplished more by the ideas that we had than by the genes that we had. This was all in the context of the threat of nuclear annihilation, and I think he felt that unless we all learned how to live in peace, we had the capacity to destroy ourselves and might do so. So that, I think, informed a lot of his thinking and a lot of the ideas and activities that he had. He was very kind. I think that would be one adjective I would use about him. He was thoughtful. He enjoyed talking to people. He had a real feeling for people, particularly for children. So I think those are things that would strike me about him.